Hello, welcome back guys in our lecture on creating a Flappy Bird. So in previous lecture we kind of gave movement to all of our obstacles and made them spawn to the right position. And also when the collision happens, one of these is getting destroyed. So we won't have many of them spawning rapidly into our hierarchy section, so it won't slow down our game. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our assets folder and click images. And the first image that you see is going to be an image that is a background. So we're going to just drag this image right here and stretch it. So our image is currently really small. Just rename this one to background. And we're just going to hit R. It's going to resize it here. So it's going to hit X value, X scale to be 2 and Y to be 2. So we'll have them symmetrically, so our image won't be like in wrong dimensions into any axis. So we're just going to copy this one a couple of times, so we have all our screen covered into our background. I'm just going to copy it again. So copy it on the right place, so both of these buildings are kind of merging, so it will look real nice. It won't look like it's mutated or something. Okay, let's just drag this one here. Okay, so this is how our background is gonna look. So if you notice right here, we have our pipes behind our background, which is pretty bad. So we have to change the ordering layers. So for example, the ordering layer that has the smallest number, it is gonna be presented the last. So right now, if we click on our background, the ordering layer of our background in sprite renderer section is 0. So and if we click on one of our pipes, the ordering layer of our pipes is 0. So the ordering layer number collides when it comes to background and the pipe. So the recent one that we imported is going to be presented first because we have the same number. What we're going to do is we're going to click on our background and set ordering layer to be -5, for example, because we want our background to be the furthest point in our game. So we want it to be presented last because it's a background logically. So next thing that we need to do is we need to insert our ground. So if we click on the images folder and see what we have here, there is a flaccid 2. So it looks like the ground, and we're going to drag it here and increase its size by 2. So we're going to go to transform scale and set size to be 2, and we're just going to drag it to the last point, so only this green side is can be seen, because of if we set the whole ground into our screen, we won't be able to see the head of this pipe. So we're going to do it this way. Okay, we're just going to copy it a couple of times, copy it again, and okay, 4 times. So if we take notice, we can see that the first thing that is represented to us right now is going to be this one, like this ground one, because ordering layer is 0 and ordering layer of our pipes is 0. But this is wrong. Like the first thing that we want to be presented right here will be the ground. So we don't want to have collision between these pipes and the ground when it comes to showing off, because they're in the same ordering layer. Like the ordering layer is 0 to both of these. So we're gonna set ordering layer for this ground to be 1. Because we want it to be presented first, very first. And what this means is that our ground is going to be presented, and we're going to have our pipes like showing off the ground, like we have in Mario and in actual Flappy Bird. So if we play our game right now, we're going to see how it looks. Okay, so our ground is not moving, our background is not moving, only our pipes are moving, but we have an illusion created that looks like our background is actually moving to the right and everything is passing. So that's pretty much it, how you do this. Actually, you only give movement to all of our obstacles and just fix the ground and fix the background. So we have our static background and static ground, and only our pipes moving to the left and randomly spawning to the right position and to the actually random Y position and right X position. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next video where we're gonna continue with creating a Flappy Bird.